Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can hack any Instagram account within 5 minutes. I am going to show you how to do this on your iPhone and Android-based devices, and you won't have to learn hacking to do this. So let's find someone who I want to hack. I am not going to hack any random person. I will hack some bigger meme accounts. I have already searched for a meme account by the name Level99Trolls, and I am going to try if I can hack this account. This account already has around 19k followers, and it's a big enough account. For security reasons, let me tell you that you cannot hack a profile with more than 50k followers. As you can see, it has more than 300 posts, so it already has good authority. So to hack this account, I am going to open up this Instagram hacker app, and here I will have to enter the username of this account, which is Level99Trolls. After entering the username, I will click on Connect. After this step, you will have to confirm that this is the exact account that you want to hack. If you have confirmed that this is the right account, you can click on Confirm Account and then it will start the process of hacking the account. You won't have to do anything as everything will be done in the background and it will crack the password online for you. In the meantime, I am going to wait for it to finish unlocking the password. Once the password is decrypted, it will be shown here in this pop-up, which means our password has been cracked successfully. So I've got the password and now I am going to copy the password from here. After copying the password, I will head over to Instagram and then go to the account login page. Here I will try to log into the Instagram account that I just hacked. Here I'll enter the username and password. I'll type in the username and, after that, I'll paste the password that I copied from the app into the password field. After confirming the details, I'll just click on Login. So there you go guys, in front of you, I have hacked a big meme page within 2 minutes and it was so easy. I am inside the account already. As you can see on the screen, I am operating the account right now, and I can like or do anything on this account. It's mine now. I will head over to edit my profile and show you that it's the same account that I'm logged into. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video. Hey, welcome back again, guys. Before we start with the video, I want you guys to like the video right now so that I can make many more such videos in the future and help you guys. Before we do the trick, we have to make sure that our device is ready for it. What I mean is that you have to change a few settings on your phone so that the Instagram hacker app works on your phone without crashing and it works smoothly. So the first setting that we need to change is the background app refresh option. To do that, you will have to go to the general settings and then search for the background app refresh option. Once you click on it, you have to make sure that the background app refresh is either set to Wi-Fi or it is set to Wi-Fi and mobile data option. You can select both the options, but I'd recommend that you go with the second option just to be safe. So the first setting is now complete, and now we will do the second setting. To do that, just go back to the settings page and then find the battery option. You have to make sure that the low power mode is turned off. Once you click on the low power mode option, the battery icon will turn yellow, which you don't want, so make sure it is off. Both the settings are now complete, and our iPhone is ready for the download. I'll also show you how to do this on your Android device, so let's just quickly switch to my Android device. Here you have to change 2 settings as well, and without changing these settings, the app won't work. So the first setting that we need to change can be found inside the Apps and Notifications option. Just click on it and find the Special App Access menu. Once you find it, you will have to click on it and then search for and install unknown apps. Here you have to find the browser that you use and then click on it. Once you are inside the browser menu, make sure that you set it to allow. I use Chrome, so I have already allowed Chrome to download apps from other websites. The first setting is now complete, and now we will go back to the main setting page and then we will look for the battery option. Inside the battery option menu, you have to find the battery saver option, and here you have to make sure that the battery saver is turned off, as you want the Instagram Hacker app to run smoothly without any crashes, so this is an important step as well. Now the setting on the Android device is complete, and our Android device is also ready for the hack. The rest of the video is the same for both Android and iPhone devices, so I will continue the video on my iPhone. So let's just quickly switch back to my iPhone device. Now you must be asking, everything is fine, but how do we download the app? Now let me show you the website from where you can download this Instagram Hacker app. The website's name is appmodder.com. Please make sure to type the name correctly as it has 2 D's in it. You can find the app on Featured Apps, where you can search for it in the search bar, or you can also view the whole website and then find the app. Whatever works for you. Once you find the app, just click on it, and it will open a box where all the information about the app will be displayed. You have to click on Download Now, and then it will start the process of downloading the application. I will fast forward through the downloading process. Once it is downloaded, just click on Allow, and then you have to find the downloaded profile in the settings of your iPhone. Here you will see it in the Downloaded Profiles option. You can install it from here, but because I already have it installed on my iPhone, I won't install it on my device again. So this is it, guys. This is the method of how you can hack Instagram accounts within 5 minutes. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment down below and let me know how it worked for you. Thank you for watching this video.